Hi, and welcome to a video that is a example video for composite shapes with sectors. By the end of this video, you should be able to find the area of a composite shape that involves a sector. So let's have a look at an example. Here we're asked to find the area of this weird looking shape below to 1 decimal place. Now this shape is actually made up of two shapes. The area is going to be the area of the big rectangle minus the area of this quadrant, and that's going to leave us with this area here that's part of our shape. We can work out the area of the rectangle to start off with by multiplying the length by the width, which is going to be 200 millimeter squares. Now what we want to do is find the area of the quadrant. Now a quadrant is a quarter of a circle, so this formula will be a quarter times pi times the radius squared. So we have to work out what the radius is. Now if I look at my shape, I can see that the vertical line on the left hand side is 10 millimeters. This means that because it's a rectangle, the opposite side is also 10. This is our radius. So the quadrant is going to be a quarter times pi times 10 squared. Putting that into my calculator, I get an answer of about 78.53 with a whole bunch of decimal places after it. Now what I'm going to ask you to do is keep that answer in your calculator. The reason for this is because it is the most accurate answer that you have at the moment. And if you were to put 78.53 into your calculator later on, you would be using a rounded answer. And we don't really want to use rounded answers as we go. Looking at our first line of working out, the area is the rectangle minus the quadrant. Well, we have those two areas now. Our area is going to be 200 minus the answer on our calculator. That's why I asked you to keep it in your calculator. This gives us the most accurate answer, when we round it, to 121.5 millimeters squares. What I'd like you to do now is to pause and summarize this example in order to have it in your book so that you can work from it in order to aid you. And that's it. Hopefully this example has helped you to find the area of a composite shape that involves sectors. As always, ask for help if you need it. Good luck.